Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. WH Questions Answers Practice for Beginners. Where? Where is used to ask about location or places. Where were you born?
I was born in London.
Where do you live now?
I live in New York City.
Where is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is the beach.
Where do you go when you need to think?
I go to the park when I need to think.
Where is the last place you traveled to?
The last place I traveled to was Paris.
Where would you like to go on vacation?
I would like to go to Japan on vacation.
Where is your dream home located?
My dream home is located by the sea.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small town.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself working as a teacher in 5 years.
Where is the best restaurant you've ever eaten at?
The best restaurant I've eaten at is an Italian place downtown.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at the mall or online.
Where is your phone right now?
My phone is on the table.
Where do you keep your important documents?
I keep my important documents in a folder.
Where would you like to retire?
I would like to retire in a peaceful countryside.
Where is your family from originally?
My family is originally from India.
Where do you go to relax?
I go to the beach to relax.
Where did you go to school?
I went to school in my hometown.
Where do you find inspiration?
I find inspiration in books and nature.
Where do you want to go this weekend?
I want to go to the mountains this weekend.
Where do you plan to celebrate your next birthday?
I plan to celebrate my next birthday at home with friends.
When? When is used to ask about time. When were you born?
I was born on March 10, 1998.
When did you graduate?
I graduated 2 years ago.
When do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
When do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
When do you feel most productive?
I feel most productive in the morning.
When is your next vacation planned?
My next vacation is planned for December.
When did you last see your best friend?
I last saw my best friend yesterday.
When was the last time you laughed out loud?
The last time I laughed out loud was during a funny movie last night.
When do you like to exercise?
I like to exercise in the evening.
When is your favorite time of the day?
My favorite time of the day is sunset.
When do you feel most creative?
I feel most creative late at night.
When did you last try something new?
I last tried something new last week when I started painting.
When do you usually go shopping?
I usually go shopping on weekends.
When do you spend the most time with your family?
I spend the most time with my family during holidays.
When do you like to read?
I like to read before going to bed.
When do you usually feel tired?
I usually feel tired in the afternoon.
When did you last cry?
I last cried during a sad movie last month.
When is the best time to call you?
The best time to call me is in the evening.
When do you take a break from work?
I take a break from work every 2 hours.
When do you like to study?
I like to study early in the morning.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe the channel for more videos.